Hey beautiful people, it's Darcini, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate skincare routine for that coveted, radiant glow. And no, you don't need a million products or spend a fortune. We're all about simplicity and effectiveness here. Start your day with a refreshing and simple skincare routine to maintain the natural balance of your skin and protect it from daily stressors. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, this routine will leave your skin feeling balanced, hydrated, and ready to take on the day. Remember, beautiful skin starts with a solid foundation. So, let's get right into it. Alright guys, the first step is crucial. We're starting with a gentle, hydrating cleanser. And when I say gentle, I mean it. Ditch the harsh sulfates that strip your skin of its natural oils. We want a cleanser that removes dirt, oil, and any overnight buildup without disrupting your skin's natural barrier. Look for ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid, which are super hydrating and help maintain that healthy balance. Massage it gently onto damp skin, taking your time to really work it in. Then, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Remember, hot water can be drying, so keep it cool. Now, toner is optional, but if you have normal to dry skin or just want that extra boost of hydration, listen up. A hydrating toner can help balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the rest of your routine. Look for toners with ingredients like rosewater, aloe vera, or glycerin. These are all super soothing and hydrating. Soak a cotton pad or your reusable pad with the toner and gently swipe it across your face and neck. No need to rub, just let it absorb while we move on to the next step. Now it's time for the star of the show, antioxidant serum. Specifically, we're talking about vitamin C serum. This stuff is a game changer, my friends. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage like pollution and UV rays. Plus, it helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Gently pat a few drops of vitamin C serum onto your face and neck, and let it absorb before moving on to the next step. Remember, consistency is key with this one, so make it a part of your daily routine. No matter your skin type, moisturizer is a must. But for this routine, we're going with a lightweight, non-greasy formula that will hydrate and lock in all those amazing nutrients we just applied. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, squalane, or ceramides. These are all powerhouses when it comes to hydration and maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Apply a dime-sized amount of moisturizer to your face and neck, gently massaging it in upward circular motions. Don't forget to bring it down to your neck too. We've come to the final and most important step of our routine, my friends, sunscreen. I cannot stress this enough. Wear sunscreen every single day, rain or shine, even if you're just staying inside. UV rays can penetrate clouds and windows, so protecting your skin is crucial. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Apply a generous amount to your face and neck, making sure to cover all exposed areas. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. And that's it, a simple, effective skincare routine for glowing, healthy skin. Consistency is key. Normal skin thrives when cared for gently and regularly. Adjust your products seasonally or as needed, and enjoy the radiant balance that comes with a steady routine. Remember, beautiful skin is a journey, not a destination. So be patient, be kind to your skin, and don't forget to listen to your skin's needs. Until next time, stay beautiful.